a bit nervous, never ridden one of these things before, so should be interesting. Brake, throttle, oh, ready?
Yep, go.
Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Happy Monday. This morning, I've got a brand new shirt on, actually. I love it, absolutely love it. Thank you to my brother and his wonderful girlfriend, Sarah, for getting that for me. Today, big day out in the city for the morning with Sean. Heading over shortly to pick him up. Just spending a little bit of time out here in the garden, having a look at a few new plants that I got yesterday. I'll put some of them up on the screen now. So it's a sunny day, a little bit chilly, but we're gonna head out to Brisbane City, the Big Smoke, take Sean to the NASA exhibit today. If you wanna see what's in that exhibit, just check out the previous video that I put up about NASA. I'll link that for you as well. But essentially we're gonna go out and have a decent day, look into the art gallery and things, have a bit of an explore, take him through that, and see where it takes us for the day. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun one. See you soon. Sean, what's happening, man?
Nothing much.
So we are here in the city, sitting, enjoying a wonderful Starbucks coffee by the water here. So it's beautiful in the city. We're about to head into the NASA exhibit. Like I said, if you haven't seen inside that, Steph and I went, so you can see the video for that. I'll link it for you. Otherwise, Sean and I are gonna go in together and explore. And we're going to show you some more afterwards of the city and of the art galleries and things like that. So stay tuned for after the museum. Otherwise, beautiful day here in the city. I hope you're enjoying your Monday, whatever you're doing. And we're having a great time, so let's go and smash it out.
It's the most tremendous new musical experience you can have. All new living sound. Y'all, like back in the day.
All right, Sean and I have finished with the museum. We're just coming through Fish Lane now. It's a really cool new spot in Brizzy. You've got some nice restaurants down here. Smelling bins in the background there. We're just running behind the back of it all. But we're walking around. We're gonna go find a spot of lunch, some grilled, and then see what else the city has in store for us. Are you feeling hungry, Sean?
Starving.
Starving. So yeah, we're gonna find something to eat for some grilled, and yeah, continue on. It's been good. The museum was good. Remember, check it out if you haven't seen it. I've been there before and I took you inside, so watch that. But now,
Very interesting.
yeah, very interesting. Thanks, Sean. So on to the next bit.
That deserve respect, y'all. Back in the day. All right, I'm out. Back in the day. Bringing the bass, y'all, like back in the day. Back in the day. Back in the day. That deserve respect, y'all.
The trouble is, if you're not self-reliant, you'll never do any more than just get by. We aren't given enough freedom to develop self-reliance.
We are in an underground tunnel, heading under the road back towards the museum and art gallery.
Yep.
Don't know why I've got sunglasses on under the ground. Yeah, but we're gonna head up, have a look at some artworks, and then continue on. We've fed ourselves with some grilled. We feel good. Had a nice walk along the outside of South Bank. So now, yeah, off to the art gallery. Let's see some of that.
Bringing the bass, y'all, like back in the day. Back in the day. All right, I'm out. Back in the day. Bringing the bass, y'all, like back in the day. Back in the day. Back in the day. That deserve respect, y'all. Back in the day. All right, I'm out. Back in the day. Bringing the bass, y'all, like back in the day.
So I found a Lime scooter. If you don't know what they are, they're just scooters that lie around the city. Anyone can come along, just like the city cycle, and scan your app, and you can pretty much take one of these electric scooters for a spin. So Sean is going to just film me going around the block here. We're just going to have a little bit of a joyride and show you how these things operate. So Lime scooter, here we go. I'm a bit nervous, never ridden one of these things before, so it should be interesting. Brake, throttle, oh, ready?
Yep, go.
Back in the day.
This is actually so much fun. See, Sean? Oh.
Oh, there you are.
All right, first person shooter. Oh, nearly lost myself completely. Here we go. First person shooter. Maybe you shouldn't ride like this. It's illegal. What a day. 11 k's an hour. Oh geez. Oh, that Lime scooter was actually super fun. Highly recommend doing it. Cost me about $4 for maybe 10 minutes. Just around the corner, so it's like 50 cents a minute. So really cheap. But that was heaps of fun. You should definitely do it. Okay man, what's the plan now?
I don't know.
Going home now?
Do you want to?
Yeah, go home now.
Okay.
Back in the day.
All right, we have made it back. I was getting a little bit tired on that train ride home, weren't you, Sean?
Definitely.
We had a big day in the city. What a beautiful city we live in. We're very lucky to be blessed to have an amazing place to live. So we're going to continue on with our day. It's nearly the end of the day, so we're going to sign off and see each other again soon. So thanks again for a good day, Sean, and we'll see you soon.
Yep. See you soon, you guys.
See you guys.